students, good morning. Welcome to chemistry class. In this class, we will discuss about the questions of concept sheet of class 11th. Okay, in which we will discuss the questions of topic atomic structures. Okay, so first question is observe the image and give the name of the subatomic particles, then complete the information of the elements. Okay, so in this structure the blue dot color dots are represented for the electron. Okay, and red dot represents for the proton, and yellow black will represent the neutron. Okay, so in an atom there are electron, proton and neutrons are present. Okay, so according to this diagram, the atomic number of this atom will be 12. Okay, 12 because there are total 12 electrons are showing here. Okay, and symbol and the atomic number of 12 is for magnesium, so the symbol for magnesium will be Mg, and the name, so according to the symbol Mg, it is called as magnesium. Okay, magnesium. So according to this diagram, the atomic number will be 12, symbol will be Mg and name will be magnesium. Okay, now come to the second question. Look at the image in the first point and note the keywords to complete the following next. Okay, so on the basis of these terms, fill in the blanks. Okay, so first space will be filled by the atoms. Okay, atoms. So atoms are the basic units of matter, and in the middle of each there is a nucleus. What will be here? Nucleus. Okay, there will be a nucleus. Okay, nucleus, and made up of electron and proton. Here it will be electron and neutron. So outside the nucleus there are electrons that move around it. Okay, and second line, proton have positive charge, and neutron have no charge, and electron have negative charge. Okay, so these terms will be filled here. We will repeat again. Here we will fill atom, nucleus. Okay, electron, positive, no charge and negative. Okay, positive and negative. So these terms will be filled here. Okay, now come to the next question. Parts of the atom. Complete the table of the part of the atom. So first one is symbol. So symbol for electron is E, proton P, neutron small n. Charge, electron पे negative, okay, positive and no charge. Okay, location, electron in orbit, proton nucleus, neutron also present in nucleus. Okay, relative mass 1, 1 and 1. Okay, so these are the terms which are filled here. Okay, clear hai? I am repeating again. Electron E, proton P, neutron small n. Charge negative, positive, no charge. Okay, location, orbit, nucleus, and the relative masses 1, 1 and 1. Okay, so these are the terms which are filled here. Now atomic numbers. So atomic numbers are equal to equal to electron and proton. So for an atom, atomic number will be always equal to number of electrons or number of protons. Okay. Now question number 3, part 3, name the following compounds. Name the following compound. First question, an atomic particle that is positively charged, that is called as proton. Okay. Number 2, an element that has the same number of protons but different number of neutrons, it is called as isotope. What it will called? Isotope. Second question. Third question, its average mass of the isotope of atomic atoms of an element is called as average atomic mass. Average atomic mass. Okay, it is called as average atomic mass. Number 4, an atomic particle that has no charge, called as neutron. Neutron. What it will call? Neutron. Okay. 5 number, element that have properties of both metal and non-metals, called as metalloid. That is called as metalloid. Okay. Metalloid. Okay. Sixth question, 6 number, the element in the column on the periodic table are called group. The elements which are present in the column are called groups. Question number 7, the amount of time take for one half of the atom in a particular sample to decay, that is called as half life. That is called as half life. Part number 8, the part of an element that contains protons and neutrons is called nucleus. What it will called? Nucleus. Okay. So these are the terms which are called by these sentences. Okay. Now come to the following table to complete. So in this table there are symbols: atomic number, mass number, number of protons, number of electrons and number of neutrons. So as we know that number of electrons and protons are equal to the number of atomic number. And how the number of neutrons will calculated? Number of neutrons will calculated from number of atomic mass of the element minus atomic number. So if you will subtract atomic number from atomic mass, then you will get the number of neutrons. So on the basis of this concept, we will start to filling this table. Number 1, symbol Na sodium. So for sodium the atomic number is 11 and mass number 23. Number of electrons are equal to atomic number, so it will also 11, and number of electrons, they will also equal to atomic number, so here it will also 11. Okay. And mass number, so by subtracting atomic number from this mass number, then we will get number of neutrons. So the atomic number 11, mass number 23, 11 and atomic mass, number of neutrons 12. For potassium, atomic number 19. Okay. So number of electrons also 19, protons also 19 and number of neutrons will be 20. Number of neutrons will be 20. Okay. Here only number of protons are given. No element symbol, no atomic number, no mass number is given. So on the basis of proton, you will find out the element, their atomic number and their atomic mass. So as we know that number of protons are equal to the number of electrons and number of electrons will be equal to the atomic number. So we will find out the element which have the atomic number 38. So for atomic number 38, it will be strontium, Sr. So its atomic number 38 and its mass number is 88. Okay, 88, and number of proton 38, like that number of electron also 38. Now we will find out number of neutrons, then 88 minus 38, then it will come 50. Okay, so the element will be strontium, atomic number 38, mass number 88 proton 38, electron 38, and number of neutron will 50. Okay, now come to the fluorine. So fluorine atomic number 9, mass number for fluorine is 19. Mass number for fluorine is 19. Okay, number of proton 9, number of electron 9, and number of neutron will be 10. Okay, here the element will be calcium. Its atomic number is 20, mass number 40. So number of proton 20, number of electron also 20, and neutron will also 20. Okay, so for atomic number 50, the element is strontium. Tin, Sn. The element with the atomic number 50 is Sn. Okay, Sn 50. Mass atomic number 50, mass number is 118. Okay, number of proton 50, number of electron 50, but the number of neutron will be 68 by subtracting 53 by 50. By subtracting 50 by 118. Okay, now come to the iodine. Atomic number 53, mass number 127, 53 proton, 53 electron, and mass number will come by subtracting 53 from 127, that will come 74. Okay, magnesium atomic number 12, mass number 24. These are 12, these are 12, and these are also 12. For mass number 108, the symbol will be silver, and its atomic number is 47. Its atomic number is 47. So atomic number 47, number of proton 47, electron 47, and number of neutron will come from subtracting this 47 from 108, then it will come 61. Okay, then there will be the hydrogen. So atomic number hydrogen is 1, mass number also 1, number of electron 1, number of proton 1, but neutron will be 0. Okay, and for sulfur atomic number 16, mass number 62, number of proton 16, number of electron 16, and also number of neutron will also 16. So these are the numbers and symbols which are filled here. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.